Hi guys, so for this video, we're going to, or I'm going to share to you what I have discovered today, which is an AI tool wherein I don't know if you know this already, but this is kind of somewhat old already because it's been in the tech field for I think a year or I think more. So, if you know ChatGPT, I know for sure you know also about this. So, this is Bard, wherein it is now Gemini. So, it's a Google AI tool wherein you can use this to prompt message or to ask assistance from AI. And then this AI can really help you to give answers. But you should not really rely on this 100%. But uh, it's just give you an assistance or help in, something that you want to prompt for, or you are asking assistance for. So but you that my advice is that you must not really rely on this one 100%. You need to read and review what this AI is giving you answers, because sometimes uh, it gives you wrong answer sometimes or not accurate. So it that's why it also needs to be reviewed what the AI gives you, what answers they gave you. So of course you need to have a Google account. So just like this, you need to have a personal Google account for you to use this and to have this, so that you can use this. Once you go to your messaging app, yeah, it just notified me that uh, we can use this Gemini already to prompt something here. So this is a Google messaging app wherein this is a default messaging app where you can use this to receive message or to send a message. So this is a default messaging app for all Android users. And then yes, this Gemini um, text message will appear here on your messaging app. So I just tried it earlier. So when I open it, it says here that hi, I'm Gemini in Google Messages. Chat with me to draft messages, brainstorm ideas, plan events, or simply have a fun conversation. So I just say hi Gemini, nice to meet you. Then Gemini is asking me, or yeah, it responds right away. Hi, nice to meet you too. How can I help you today? So I just tried to like prompt something or ask assistant something. So I just said here that what is the best platform to use in making a portfolio for jobs or for business offers to show your services. So uh, right away the Gemini responded. So like this. So the best platform for your portfolio depends on your field and needs. So that this is how convenient it is to use AI. So I use Gemini to before, when I want to use Gemini, I need to go to the browser. But now I don't need to do that anymore because here on my messaging app on my mobile phone, I can use it right away, and I find it so convenient. Yeah, convenient. So yeah, I just want to share that to you, and I hope you have already see this or have this on your mobile phones. So use Gemini in Google Messages. So what you need to have, or yeah, what you need to have is an Android phone. Your phone's language set to support the language English, the latest version of Google Messages. So that's why you need to like update this every now and then, so that you will have the latest version of your apps, especially the Google Messages. And then a personal Google account that you manage on your own. So just like what I'm using here, this is my personal Gmail account or Google account. So in that case, you cannot use this Gemini in Google Messages if you're using a Google account managed by Family Link or with a Google Workspace account. So you cannot use this. So in that case, you need to use your personal Google account for this. And of course, be an 18 years old or over, and RCS chats turn on. So I think that's the requirements for you to have that, and then you can already start chatting and using Gemini on your Google Messages. So we have some tips here and some reminders. All right, so thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the day.